Hey, this is Mark, and this is the third update or case study update for this particular method. Um, I didn't make one yesterday. The first update, I think there was about a $6 profit, and today you can see that there's 28.56. Okay, so I started this case study on the 12th, just in case you haven't watched the other videos. So you can see here that the registration date was the 12th of the 11th, 12th of November 2015, and today's date is the 15th. Okay, so 3 days later, and you can see here that I have $28.56 profit on the $90 investment. Okay, so this $90 always belongs to me, and I've made just under $30 profit in 3 days. So it's not a fantastic amount of money, but the return on investment, I think you'll agree, is pretty good.